Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Model paper number 95. Which of the following river is also called the Yellow River? That is the Hanghu River. Which of the following rivers is also called the Yellow River? That is the Hanghu River. Colorado is a river which flows in USA. Colorado is a river which flows in United States of America. Congo River is located in Africa. The Congo River is only river that is crossed the equator twice. Okay, and Congo River is located in Africa. Lal Sohanra National Park is located near Bahawalpur. The Lal Sohanra National Park is located near Bahawalpur, and the Pakistan one the largest solar park is also located in Bahawalpur. This name is Qaid-e-Azam Solar Park. The Grand Trunk Road was built by Sher Shah Suri. Farazi movement was started by Haji Sharaitullah in Bengal in 1828. दोबारा सुने फ्राइजी मूवमेंट was started by Haji Sharaitullah in Bengal in 1828. During the Mughal period, which one of the following traders first came to India? That is Portuguese. During the Mughal period, which of the following traders came first to India? That is Portuguese. The first Indian ruler to organize Hajj पिलग्रम्स एट द एक्सपेंसेस ऑफ द स्टेट, तो वो था अकबर. अकबर ने पहली मरतबा लोगों को हज करवाया सिर्फ उसकी हुकूमत की जिम्मेदारी पर, हुकूमत के खर्चे पर. द ग्रेटेस्ट फोर्ट ऑफ पाकिस्तान दैट इज रानीकोट फोर्ट इज सिचुएटेड नियर द सिटी ऑफ हैदराबाद, दैट इज इन सिंध. द ग्रेटेस्ट फोर्ट ऑफ पाकिस्तान इज रानीकोट फोर्ट. इट कंटेन द लेंथ ऑफ 26 किलोमीटर एंड इज सिचुएटेड नियर द सिटी ऑफ हैदराबाद इन सिंध. Gandhara art is related to Taxila. Gandhara civilization is in Taxila. 1 pound per foot is equal to 1.488 kilogram per meter. दोबारा सुने 1 pound per foot is equal to 1.488 kilogram per meter. When was the first agreement signed on Siachen Glacier? That is in 1949. When was the first agreement signed on Siachen Glacier, the longest glacier of Pakistan, that it contained 72 km long, and it was first signed on 1949. Buddhist Emperor Ashoka belonged to which dynasty? That is Mauryan. Buddhist Emperor Ashoka belonged to which dynasty? He belonged to Mauryan. State of Kashmir was purchased by Gulab Singh in the price of 7.5 million. Shah Abdullah and Chaudhry Ghulam Abbas was launched freedom movement in Kashmir, which resulted in the first battle for freedom fought in 1930. When American Congress appointed George Washington commander-in-chief of American untrained army in 1732. दोबारा सुने, when American Congress appointed George Washington is the first person who is the president of America in 1776. कमांडर इन चीफ ऑफ अमेरिकन अनट्रेन्ड आर्मी दैट इज इन 1732. ठीक है, 1732 में उसको अनट्रेन्ड अमेरिकन आर्मी का कमांडर इन चीफ बना दिया गया. नेम ऑफ द फर्स्ट मुस्लिम हु वाज अपॉइंटेड एज हाकम, तो वो थे साद बिन मुआज रजी अल्लाह तआला अन्हु. पहले मुसलमान जिनको हाकम बनाया गया वो थे हजरत साद बिन मुआज रजी अल्लाह तआला अन्हु. नेम द फर्स्ट पर्सन हु डिक्लेयर हिज कन्वर्जन टू इस्लाम एम्पैथिकली, तो वो थे हजरत उमर रजी अल्लाह तआला. नेम द पर्सन हु डिक्लेयर्ड हिज कन्वर्जन टू इस्लाम एम्पैथिकली, हजरत उमर रजी अल्लाह तआला. Indian Council Act introduced in 1909. Indian Council Act introduced in 1909. Qaid-e-Azam became the member of Legislative Council from Bombay in 1909. Qaid-e-Azam became the member of Legislative Council from Bombay in 1909, while Qaid-e-Azam became the member of National Congress in 1906 and also the member of Muslim League in 1913. Delhi Darbar, King and Queen of British visit India, partition of Bengal in annual, that is in 1911. 1911 के अंदर दिल्ली दरबार, King and Queen of British visit India, partition of Bengal is annulled in 1911. Bhutto stepped in the president and civilian Kamala CMLA of Pakistan, that is 20 दिसंबर 1971 को. भुट्टो ने एज ए प्रेसिडेंट और सिविलियन कामला ऑफ पाकिस्तान कब उन्होंने स्टेप संभाला? 20 दिसंबर 1971 को. और पाकिस्तान की हिस्ट्री में भुट्टो को वो हैसियत हासिल है कि वो एक ही बार में प्रेसिडेंट भी रहे और प्राइम मिनिस्टर भी. ठीक है. Land reform system was announced by Pakistan People Party in 1 March 1972. 1 मार्च 1972 को लैंड रिफॉर्म सिस्टम इंट्रोड्यूस करवा दिया गया. इन विच कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इस्लाम वाज डिक्लेयर्ड रिलीजन ऑफ स्टेट, दैट इज कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ 1973. Next one, who was Aminul Ummat? Hazrat Abu Ubaidah bin Jarrah raziyallahu ta'ala anhu is also called Aminul Ummat. Hazrat Abu Ubaidah bin Jarrah raziyallahu ta'ala anhu को Aminul Ummat भी कहा जाता है. सबसे बड़ी लेक दुनिया की कौन सी है? लेक सुपीरियर. ठीक है, फ्रेश वाटर लेक इज लेक सुपीरियर. Which peninsula lies between the Black Sea and the Sea of Azov? That is Crimean. Which peninsula lies between the Black Sea and the Sea of Azov? That is Crimean. On the bank of the river इज द सिटी ऑफ लंदन लोकेटेड दैट इज थैम्स। थैम्स के जो रिवर है उसके बैंक के ऊपर लंदन सिटी लोकेटेड है। विच इज द लार्जेस्ट कंट्री इन द अरेबियन पेनिनसुला दैट इज सऊदी अरेबिया। द लार्जेस्ट कंट्री इन द अरेबियन पेनिनसुला दैट इज सऊदी अरेबिया। द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द अर्थ एंड द सन इज स्मॉलेस्ट इन द मंथ ऑफ जनवरी। ओके, in how many time zones has the world been divided? That is 24 times. The zone of the world has been divided in 24 times. Liverpool is situated on the bank of river Mersey river. Liverpool is situated on the bank of river Mersey. Name the eminent leader of Pakistan movement who is 1949 took over as the first governor of Punjab and later on become the president of Pakistan Muslim League that is अब्दुल रब नश्तर, जो कि 1949 में उन्होंने गवर्नर ऑफ पंजाब का खुदा संभाला और फिर बाद में मुस्लिम लीग के लीडर बन के वो थे अब्दुल रब नश्तर। What do you understand by en route? En route का मतलब है on the way. Name the American president who gave resign that is Richard Nixon by a Watergate scandal. Michelangelo was an artist. Where would you find the Sea of Galilee? That is in Israel. Where would you find the Sea of Galilee? Sea of Galilee जो है वो इसराइल के अंदर है। सैयद अहमद शहीद was murdered at Balakot in 1831. Urdu declared as official language in 1832. Urdu declared as official language in 1832. Which of the highest peak of Himalaya range in Pakistan that is Nanga Parbat? दोबारा सुने, highest peak of Himalaya range in Pakistan that is Nanga Parbat. Beside this, Pakistan is the only country that contains the 5 peaks that is more than 8,000 meters in Pakistan, and the mountain of K2 that is also known as Gudvi Nastan is the second highest peak in Pakistan. It contains 8,600 something in meters in height, while the Mount Everest is also located in the Himalaya range. Who said these words? Man without society is either beast or God. That is Aristotle. Who said a thing of beauty is joy forever? That is John Keats. Who said a thing of beauty is joy forever? That is by John Keats. Who said man is a social animal? That is Aristotle. Nobel Prize was first awarded in the year of 1901 by Alfred Nobel. Where is the headquarter of European Economic Community? That is in Brussels. The headquarter of European Economic Community that is in Brussels. In which district of Punjab Kallar Kahar Lake is situated? That is in Chakwal. Kallar Kahar Lake Chakwal के अंदर World Cancer Day is observed every year on 4 February. World Cancer Day is observed on every year on 4 February. Who is said to be the father of modern Olympic? That is Pierre de Coubertin. दोबारा सुने, who is said to the father of modern Olympic? That is Pierre de Coubertin. Which team has won the Football World Cup most of the time? That is Brazil. Satpara Lake is situated in Baltistan. Satpara Lake is situated in Baltistan. Which is the oldest airport of the Pakistan? That is Karachi Airport. Oldest airport of Pakistan, Karachi Airport. Biafra. Biafra is the new name of Nigeria. Biafra. Biafra. Biafra is the new name of Nigeria. Ashoka was the great king of subcontinent Indo-Pak. Its religion was Buddhism. Ashoka was the great king of subcontinent Indo-Pak. Its religion was Buddhism. Bangladesh News Agency is BSS. Bangladesh News Agency is BSS. Changamanga Forest and National Park is located near Lahore. Changamanga is the Pakistan's largest forest. It is the artificial forest that is handmade forest. Kamran Brotherly is located in the city of Lahore. Which was the first public airline of Pakistan? That is Orient Airline. Pakistan की पहली airline Orient Airline by PIA is also started in 1955. Pakistan joined the NAM non-aligned movement in 1979. The most significant battle in the establishment of British supremacy in India was the Battle of Buxar. दोबारा सुनिए, the most significant battle in the establishment of British supremacy in India was that the Battle of Buxar. The first Muslim scientist who presented the law of reflection and refraction, तो वो था इब्नुल हशम. दोबारा सुने, the first Muslim scientist who presented the law of reflection and the law of refraction, that is Ibn al-Hasham. Al-Biruni discovered the radius of Earth, which was 6,338 km. Al-Biruni discovered the radius of Earth, that is 6,338 km. The plant and vegetations of the region are called flora. The plants and vegetations of a region are called flora, while animals are called fauna. ठीक है, animals of a region are called fauna and the plants and vegetation of a region are called flora. Which of the following term is used for the murder of king, that is regicide? Which of the following term is used as the murder of king, that is regicide? Dhaulagiri, Dhaulagiri, Dhaulagiri mountain is present in Nepal. Next, Orange is the name of river of South Africa. Orange is the name of river of South Africa. Doha is a seaport of Qatar. Doha is a seaport of Qatar. The Indus Water Treaty was meditated by World Bank in 1961. Marala headquarter has been constructed on the river of Chenab. Marala headquarter has been constructed on the river of Chenab. How many divisions are there in Punjab? There are 9 divisions and 36 districts. The largest district of Punjab is the Bahawalpur. One who thinks that human nature is essentially evil is known as cynic. One who thinks that human nature is essentially evil is known as cynic. NIPA, N-I-P-A. NIPA stands for National Institute of Public Administration. NIPA stands for National Institution of Public Administration. Who among the following is regarded as the forerunner of revenue administration in medieval India, that is Sher Shah? दोबारा सुने, who among the following is regarded as the forerunner of revenue administration in medieval India, that is Sher Shah? Gift of Nile is the nickname of Egypt. Gift of Nile is the nickname of Egypt. Which country is called the land of lilies, that is Canada? Name of Afghan parliament is a Shura, Majlis-e Shura जिसे कहते हैं. When the constitution of Muslim League was amendment to include the object of attainment of complete independence from British, that is 1913. When the constitution of Muslim League was amended to include the object of attainment of complete independence from British, that is 1913. Allama Shabir Ahmed Usmani formed a party of ulama called Jamiyat Ulama Islam. दोबारा सुने, Allama Shabir Ahmed Usmani formed a party of ulama called Jamiyat Ulama Islam. Sayyid Amir Ali established Muslim League in London in 1908. Sayyid Amir Ali established Muslim League in London in 1908. Next one, Pakistan became the chairman of OIC in 1974. Pakistan became the chairman of OIC in 1974. Which amendment declared the status of Qadiani and Ahmed as minority on September 7, 1974? That is second. दोबारा सुने, the second amendment declared the status of Qadiani and Ahmed as minority on 7 September 1974. Which is the national game of Pakistan, that is hockey? Name the national language of Pakistan, Urdu. Fort Monroe is located at Suleiman Hills. Fort Monroe is located at Suleiman Hills. At which point the water from Jihlam, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj and Beas all come together, that is Panjnad, P-A-N-J-A-N-A-D, Panjnad. At which point the water from Jihlam, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj and Beas all come together, that is Panjnad. The second nuclear power plant of Pakistan is functioning in Chashma since 2001. Since 2001 with the help of China. 1 acre is equal to 0.4047 hectare. 1 acre is equal to 0.4047 हेक्टर. 1 एकड़ में 0.4047 हेक्टर होते हैं. The Declaration of Independence of USA, which renounced on 4 July 1776. The Declaration of Independence of USA, which renounced on 4 July 1776. Who was the founder of Republican Party of USA, that is Alexander Hamilton? Who was the founder of Republican Party of USA, that is Alexander Hamilton? The historical garden of Shalimar was built by Shah Jahan in 1642. The Bolshevik Revolution is associated with Russia. Nelson Mandela is president of South Africa. How many Muhajirin were there at the time of Wahat, that is 45. How many Muhajirin were there at the time of Wahat, that is 45. In which month Hajj is performed, that is Zilhajj? Parana river is located in Paraguay. P-A-R-A-G-O-A-Y. Parana river is located in Paraguay. World largest river is Amazon, while longest is Nile. Hamburg is situated on the bank of river Elbe, E-L-B-E, Elbe River. Hamburg is situated on the bank of river Elbe River. Marie Curie won Nobel Prize for isolation of metallic radium in 1911. मैरी क्यूरी को, मदाम क्यूरी को सबसे पहला जो नोबेल प्राइज दिया गया वो 1902 में और दूसरा नोबेल प्राइज 1911 में दिया गया. दोबारा सुने, मैरी क्यूरी वन नोबेल प्राइज फॉर आइसोलेशन ऑफ मेटालिक रेडियम इन 1911. द बैटल ऑफ प्लेजी लॉर्ड क्लिफ डिफीटेड नवाब सिराजुद्दौला इन 1757 ईस्वी. दोबारा सुने, द बैटल ऑफ प्लेजी लॉर्ड क्लिफ नवाब सिराजुद्दौला in 1757 ईस्वी. Last one, which lake is located near Thatta, that is Kanjir? Which lake is located near Thatta in Sindh, that is Kanjir? Thanks for listening.